Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to talk about the Galaxy Fold 3, the first foldable smartphone I've had on this channel or ever used. Now this is not sort of a full review because I know there's thousands and thousands of videos on the Fold 3 telling pretty much all the exact same things, the specs and all the stuff like that. I'm not going to tell you the specs, you can find the specs online and stuff like that. But this is just going to be my experience of the Fold 3, how I found it, and as you can see in the title above, the Fold 3 for me, it's not for me, and it won't be for everyone. In terms of technology and the engineering, it's absolutely sensational. It really is. They've got the waterproof rating up to half an hour, 1 meters, 1.5 meters. It is sensational, it really is. There's nothing else like it. It's amazing, brilliant, really is, but I think it's wasted on me. When I first got it, yeah, I used the screen, full screen like that. Typing, to be fair, was a little bit awkward at times. I had to change the keyboard as well, the layout. After I'd say about a week, I've been using it like that. Always like that. Too narrow for me. Again, lots of people have said this, the screen is too narrow for typing like that, but I just can't be bothered to open out like that and type. I think it's too heavy for me as well. I have huge hands, and when I'm in bed, I like using my phone in bed a lot at night and in the mornings. It's more awkward using this than it would be just a conventional phone like this one here. That's the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. Much lighter, and I feel more comfortable holding that in bed when I'm lying down than this. It's heavier, it's chunkier. Just wish it would be thinner and a little bit wider. That'll be much better. I mean, yes, this can do all the multitasking stuff, so you can have a few windows on the screen, do a few things at once. I don't need that, I don't use it, but that feature is very good, you know? Drag, drop, and you do a couple of things at once, but I've never really used it. I've just tested it for obviously the review purposes and stuff like that, and to see if it works, and it does. It works really well. You've got to remember this costs £1,600. I'm just using this as I would a normal smartphone after the first week of the novelty wearing off of the large screen. The only times I'd use the large screen is sometimes when I'm watching video, but sometimes I'll open it up like that. You see that? And use the cover screen like that. See that? And I'll watch video like that. It's sitting nicely, I can wedge that up. And a lot of the time, yeah, I view videos this way. It's a bit narrow, isn't it, the screen? But I've been using it a lot like that. The speakers are this side as well, so you're getting that stereo effect. Stereo speakers are very good. The speakers are great on this, they really are. But yeah, I've been using it like that. Every now and again, yes, I will use it like that, full screen. But to be fair, if you look at the size of this screen and put that together, it's near the same. So you're not really getting that much out of it. Where this does excel, which I've done a video on, is gaming. The full screen gaming experience, I think, is excellent. It really is. Check that out in the card above. The gaming experience, yeah, absolutely, it's great. But for me, personally, I don't do enough gaming to warrant using it like that. So I always revert back and use the cover screen. So I've had no performance issues while using the Galaxy Fold. It's been absolutely fine. One annoying thing is the screen here, this sort of plastic protector or screen protector they got on there. It does pick up a lot of fingerprints and a lot of dust as well. It looks very, very grubby sometimes. That's another reason I don't like opening it up in public as well. Like that, it's been in your jean pockets and all dust around the top. So again, just use a cover screen. The under display camera there, which everyone's been saying isn't good enough. I'd quite imagine the 4th generation Samsung would just do away with that, because you can obviously use the front one there, and you can use that camera there, there. So you can use the back camera as a selfie camera in a sense. And it's awkward though. People using this, like, how do you hold it? Are you gonna accidentally press something on there? That's awkward to hold, trying to avoid to press any buttons on the other side. I find it all awkward when using the camera full screen like that as well. Like, you don't know where to hold, you don't want to accidentally press something. Might feel like I'm moaning a lot, but this is just my personal experience. I'm gonna enjoy going back to a normal phone. There is a water rating on this. It is also wireless charging compatible as well. But it's not ultra fast charging, wireless charging. All we're getting out of here is like 5 watt output from that into here. So yeah, it's not ultra fast, but again, there is wireless charging, which is good, waterproof rating, which is good. And I think battery life on the whole hasn't been too bad, you know. There's been some days where I'd have to put it on charge, and there's some days where it would last me a full day and I'd pop it on charge in the evening when I'm going to bed. So it can be a little bit hit and miss in terms of battery life, but obviously when you're using it more like that, you're going to use more. I've been using it more like that, so that probably would explain why battery life has been pretty good for me overall. So overall video quality and camera quality on this phone is good. If you're a camera tech head, then it probably won't be good enough, but this is what I've captured on the Fold 3. Flipping heck. No, you can't sleep there, mate, unfortunately.
Do you deal it like lower school is the younger ones?
You actually?
Yeah.
Like do tricks and everything?
I don't know about that. Yes, like I said, overall decent quality. Some pretty good night shots as well that I captured on this. Good stabilization of 4K 60 as well. So those are my true and honest feelings about the Fold 3. Amazing piece of tech without question. Like I've said before, engineering, absolute quality. Samsung have absolutely nailed it. But unfortunately, folding technology for me is not for me at the minute. I can't make use of it like I've seen other people make use of it. They really do make use of that technology. I just use it as a normal conventional phone. So I would not spend £1,600 on this. I might consider spending nearly £1,000 on the Flip, but I'm still using this just to see whether I would actually use a phone like this full time, and trying to find out what benefit that's given me than that, I don't know. It might be just a gimmick. Then about the Fold, yeah, great piece of tech. I won't pay £1,600. This is wasted on me. So thank you all very much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. I'm not against Samsung products. I do love the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I love the S21 FE. I can't wait for the. I love the S20 FE. I can't wait for the S21 FE as well. Nothing against Samsung. Foldable technology. This is not for me. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Pop any comments you have down below in the comment section, and there's links to this as well. Vodafone, thank you very much, Vodafone, for loaning me this Galaxy Fold. I'm going to be sending it back. But yeah, please do consider subscribing, smash that like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.